So we are going to first start with the chassis. You take these axle pieces, put them together like this on either side. There we go. Like that. Next thing you do is you take the interior stuff, put them together like that. Like that. Then you take the wheel wells, the the wheel coverings, as people call them. I think, at least not in Lego. They call them something else in real life, but in Lego that's what they call them here. You take the sides here, put them here, like this. Looks like a real car, doesn't it? Next, you build the front with these bricks, or rather these lights. Take the grill on the front. Take the bumper on the front. Put it on there like that. Like that. And then you take the other one. Same thing on the other side. And there we go. That is that piece done. That part is done. And now you take this piece on the back, put it like that, put it like that. And then you put that there. Then you stick the front on there and the other front like that. And you stick the windshield. Actually, before you stick the windshield on, you have to put the doors on first. Then you put the windshield on. Like that. You either do one of two ways. Take the figure and you put him in a convertible like that, or you could do it like this. Take this windshield and put it like that. It's just a demonstration. Now, once you build that side, that piece, then take these bricks, the little claw pieces, put them on either side. And then you take that, put it there, like that. Take the other windshield, place it on the back. Like that. Now you you build the back like that. You build the back piece like that. And now take the lollipop thing, put it on this side like that. And then you switch to the other side. Take the walkie-talkie, place it on that side, like that. And then finally, take the roof, put it like that, snap it in place, like that. And then finally, you take the lights, put them on like that. Take your little figure, you put them in, and that is how to build a Lego City Police car. Put that there and there. Put it in front, or you can also put it in the back way as well if you wanted to, but I like to keep it in the front. I like to keep it in the front so I can see it. And that is how to build a Lego City Police car. Updated version than the previous cars we've gotten over the last 40 years, sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe if you haven't already. And like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video or this tutorial. Yeah, this tutorial. And then also make sure to hit the bell icon to make sure you never miss another video like this. And as always, remember, the Force will be with you, always. See you guys in the next video. The next video is going to be, I think my final video for the tutorial series is going to be on the, I think the final tutorial is going to be on the police van from this set. And then we'll do more videos of minifigures and Lego sets, oldest to newest. I mean, some like that are not in stores anymore. I'm gonna have to order online. And yeah, hopefully, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. And remember, the Force will be with you always. Peace out. This has been the Brick Show. 587, and with that, I bid you farewell. Peace.